Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I told you guys that I was planning on, diversifying my investments, okay, into all kinds of different assets. As you guys know or don't know, as of right now, okay, I'm pretty much all in on Bitcoin and crypto. Like my wealth, okay, is pretty much all in on crypto, like 100% of it. Okay, I don't have any stocks. Okay, I don't invest into companies or anything like that, right? Real estate, okay, precious metals. I don't invest into any of these other assets. Okay, for the longest time now, it's been like I think over 5 years since I started investing into Bitcoin and crypto, and that's all I've been buying and investing in. Okay, I haven't, in any way diversified any of my investments. Okay, for the past like over 5 years, ever since I started investing into Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, I even said it over here on X, and this was pretty much earlier, right? This month in October 7th, I posted this saying for over 5 years now, I've been investing in Bitcoin and crypto. I'm pretty much all in on crypto, like 100%. But just today, I've been thinking about investing into precious metals like silver and gold. I'm planning on buying a bunch of 1 ounce silver coins. I feel like it's good to diversify your investments. Bitcoin is still going to be my biggest holdings, okay, and it will be, guys, okay. Just because I'm diversifying into other investments, understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin will always remain my biggest holdings. Okay, I'm still dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, right? And of course Casper, right, which is a different crypto coin. As you guys know, I'm a big accumulator in Casper, right? I am, accumulating and loading up a lot into Casper, right? Like Casper is literally the only coin that I'm really bullish on. Okay, all these other altcoins, I would say, Ethereum is still a great, long-term investment. I think Chainlink, Solana, okay, many more other alts are great investments as well. But ever since I came across Casper, my mind has changed so much. But anyways, guys, you guys see it, right? Like what I said in this post on X, okay, that I made earlier this month of October, I told you guys that I want to diversify my investments, and that's exactly what I did. So I went out and I bought some silver coins. Okay, now I ordered this from a website named Bullion Now, which is a store in Australia located in Melbourne, okay, which is a city in Melbourne if you guys don't know. But yeah, I ordered this, okay, from Bullion Now. I've heard a lot of good reviews from that site, okay. And yeah, I ordered two 1 ounce silver coins, and I will show you guys what they are because it is actually pretty cool. I get a little hint, it is crypto, right? It does involve crypto. But looking at silver right now, guys, okay. So I don't know if you guys have been looking at silver, but yeah, we did in fact see this correction happening with silver. At one point, silver, okay, was trading and went as high as over $54 an ounce, okay, and it had this correction, went as low as $45 an ounce, and now it's bounced back up, and right now it's currently at $49 an ounce. So we are in fact seeing a little correction, nothing too major, right, for silver, even gold, right? Gold has been skyrocketing, as we all know. Went as high as almost $4,400 an ounce, okay, for gold, which is crazy, right? And then had this correction, went as low as 3.8, just below 3.9, and now it's bounced back up slightly to $4,000 an ounce for gold. Okay, so yeah, gold and silver have in fact been having this correction. I'm pretty sure other precious metals have been having a correction as well. Okay, so I thought to myself, why not go ahead and buy, okay, some silver coins, okay, and this is officially my first ever investment in precious metals, right? I am now officially investing, guys, okay, into precious metals, and you can say that I am a silver and gold stacker now. Okay, so yeah, I am slowly going to be diversifying my investments into precious metals. This is much better than holding fiat. As we all know, guys, okay, you should not be holding fiat. You should honestly be investing your investments, right? Investing your money into appreciating assets, okay. And I'm trying to look for assets that the government cannot print and make more, okay. And that's why I'm a big investor into Bitcoin, because as we know, Bitcoin is decentralized, right? There's no banks behind it or anything like that. You can't make any more of it. Okay, there is a supply limit of Bitcoins, which is 21 million Bitcoins. It's the same thing with silver and gold. You can't make any more of these, right, and whatnot. I'm pretty sure, right? But I'm new to this, guys. Okay, understand that, right? I am new into becoming a silver stacker and a gold stacker. That's what a lot of people like to call it. But I'm still learning, guys. Okay, I'm still new to this whole process of investing into precious metals. Okay, and this person said over here, now that silver is about to make an all-time high, don't forget to stack up on some digital silver too, which is Casper. And I 100% do agree with this person that Casper is pretty much digital silver. As we know, Bitcoin is digital gold. But in my opinion, okay, I'm pretty sure you guys can agree that Casper is digital silver. Okay, and I said over here, yes, I've been investing in digital silver, which is Casper. Now I need to invest in physical silver. Okay, and that is exactly what I did a couple of days ago. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, guys, and show you guys what I got. I'm actually very, very excited to see how this looks, right? So yeah, like I told you guys, I did buy 2 1-ounce silver coins. Okay, and it does involve crypto, so I will show you guys what it is. It's actually pretty cool, and this is actually pretty limited, right? They've only minted like 10,000 of these, so I will show you guys what it is. Okay, all right, so there's the receipt. I won't show you guys that, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so bullion now. Okay, very, very nice package. Wow. Okay. Okay, the coins are in here, and it seems like it is. They did put capsules, which is good, because I did, suggest them to put capsules. Okay, so they gave us these little pouches to put the coins in. I guess it's empty. I thought the coins would be in here, but it's not. So this is pretty cool. But the coins are in here, guys. You guys can hear it. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm actually very, very excited, guys. So I didn't want to buy too much, just to let you guys know real quick, I didn't want to buy too much, invest too much into silver or gold just yet, because I do believe we will see a correction. Like honestly, just in my opinion, I truly do believe silver will be going much, much lower sometime, probably next year in 2026. So I feel like we're going to be in a bear market, right? I feel like a lot of assets, okay, in markets will be having a correction sometime next year in 2026. So I feel like that's going to be the best time to buy some silver and some gold. I don't know if you guys have seen those video clips of people like lining up in like bullion stores to buy silver and gold. And I'm pretty sure other precious metals as well. Like the FOMO is real, guys. Okay. But I'm not trying to FOMO into, precious metals just yet. Like, I always want to diversify my investments. I was actually planning for a long time now to invest in silver and gold. But yeah, here are the coins. And yes, they did put them in a capsule, so that's good. Alright, guys. So this is very, very exciting. Alright, so let me just pull one out. And then I'll show you guys the other one. Alright, guys. So like I said, I bought 2 1-ounce silver coins, and it does involve crypto. So if you guys look over here, this is actually pretty cool. Who said that you could never hold Ethereum, a physical Ethereum coin? Well, there you guys have it. So this is a Ethereum silver 1-ounce coin. Okay, you guys clearly see that. So it is pretty cool, right? And like I said, I believe this is like pretty limited. Okay, they only made like 10,000 of these. And when I bought this, guys, on the website, there was only like literally 14 left of these. It said 14 available, so I bought 2, and then it said 12 available. So I got very, very lucky. I'm pretty sure as of right now, it's sold out because I bought this like last week. So it is 100% sold out. But yeah, I'm glad that I bought 2 of these. Okay. But it does look pretty cool, guys. So yeah, you guys can see the Ethereum logo. It says Ethereum right over there. And it says the future of finance. What else does it say? Decentralized digital currency. That's what it says on the edges here, right? And then this is the back. But yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. So there we have it, guys. This is my first ever investment, okay, in precious metals. Just 2 silver 1 ounce coins. Okay, so like I said, I got 2 of these, the exact same ones, both Ethereum coins. I just bought 2 since, I don't know, since it's like limited. Maybe one day I want to sell one, right, and just keep one for long term. But as of right now, guys, I'm going to keep both of them. But this is amazing, right? It really, really is. And I am, like I said, guys, planning on buying so much more of silver coins, even invest into gold as well. Maybe buy some like 1 gram gold bars, okay? Not too much, okay? But maybe 5 gram, 10 gram maybe, okay? But it is pretty expensive for gold. You know, gold has been skyrocketing. But yeah, I am for sure gonna start, you know, diversifying my investments, guys. So I'm glad that I bought 2 silver 1 ounce coins, okay? And like I said, I am planning on buying more. So that being said, guys, let me know in the comments down below, are you guys investing into precious metals as well? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know. But I am for sure going to be planning on investing more into silver and gold. I don't know why I have not done this a couple years back, right? Like, honestly, I'm going to be transparent with you guys. I feel like the main reason why I did not invest in silver and gold is because I felt like they don't move, right? They don't really move as much, okay? But I feel like this is a great way to store your wealth, okay? Like I said, you know, I would rather hold silver and gold than fiat, right? I feel like that's the worst thing to do, to hold fiat, okay? In some ways, yes, it's okay to hold some cash, but I would rather hold, you know, appreciating assets, okay? Assets that the government cannot print or make more of. So yeah, that is that, guys. So I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. More videos, okay, will be coming out of me, you know, buying more precious metals. But this is just a start, okay? This is just a start, buying 2 of these. But I will be buying more, you know, silver coins, silver bars and whatnot, and gold. Okay, I will be buying some gold as well. So stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. That is always much, much appreciated. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys investing in precious metals? Okay, do you guys have any tips for me? Because like I said, I'm a new stacker, right? Coming into precious metals, investing into just simply silver and gold. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have any tips. Okay, I really would appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.